Hello folks, what I want to show you today is how to make a cool repeating pattern in Photoshop. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, and then New, and then 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels and transparent background. Okay, so this will be a custom size, and I'm going to create that. And now I'm going to open up the window for layers because this is going to have a stack of different layered shapes, and I want to be able to see everything in the stack. In this little box, I can see the things that are stacked up. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here on shape. If I left click, I have different options like rectangle, ellipse, triangle, polygon, etc. I would like triangle for today. And then I'm just going to make a triangle. Perfect. I'll go up to the upper left corner where it says Move Tool, and I'm going to move it until it has that purple line right through it. That means it's in the center. And that's good. Now I'm going to go to Layer, New, Layer, Shape via Copy. And what you'll notice, this looks the same, but over here there are two triangles because one is stacked on top of the other. Now I have the top one highlighted, and I'm going to make some changes to that triangle on top. So I'll go to Edit, Transform, and I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. And then I'm going to go to Filter, Other, Offset. Yes, do convert it to Smart Object. And now I could do any arrangement I wanted to do, but I'm moving it 500 pixels to the right. And what that does is it puts half of the triangle on one side and half on the other side. Super. So this is my pattern. This is like one little square in my tile design, a little bit like your tessellation. So I want to save this as a pattern. So I will go to Edit, and then under Edit, go to Define Pattern. And then I will call this Repeating Triangles. Okay. Now we're going to make another file, File New, and this one's going to be bigger. So instead of 1000, I want you to go to 10,000. Oops, why did that change? 1000, 10,000. Great. And this one I want you to give a white background. Create. Super. So now we have a white background. We want to create a new layer on top of this. So go to Layer, New, and this time you're not going to do Layer via Copy. This time you're just going to do Layer. Okay. And within this layer, so this layer should be highlighted, you're going to go to Edit, Fill, and the triangle pattern we just made, you're going to click on that. Okay. And now this will fill your whole big shape with little tiles made up of the little shapes. Okay, so now I have a really fun repeating tile pattern. And if I wanted to change the colors in here, I could go over to the paint bucket tool, and I could change the color over here. Let's do purple in the background. That would be fun. Okay. And if I want to change the background, of course, I want to click on the background over here because I can only edit things within the file that is highlighted. Then go to the paint bucket tool, change my background. Okay. It's taking a minute, but it's going to be worth the wait. And now I have a super fun purple background. So to save this, I'll go to File, Save As. I'm going to save it on my computer. And I'm going to save it actually as a JPEG, not a Photoshop file. So you might have to go to Save a Copy to do that. Then go to JPEG, Fun Triangle, Pattern. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Super.